hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I got this hairstyle. These are Bohemian / Mermaid locks. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you can see anytime I post a new video. I have so many hairstyle video ideas coming for y'all, so yeah, stay tuned for those. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this hairstyle, keep watching. Okay, so yeah, started off with freshly washed hair. My hair isn't wet anymore, it dried up and stuff, but yeah, you're going to just section it all off however big or small you want your sections to be. I started braiding it and then twisted the rest because it's no need to braid all the way and that's too hard to take out and it takes longer. So yeah, that's just what I've done. Let me turn around so y'all can see. So yeah, I just have my hair section off, and I'm gonna finish twisting my whole head and I'll get back to y'all. Okay, so I figured that I probably should elaborate more for those that didn't understand what I was saying before. So yeah, I have the whole rest of my head twisted up. Like I said, it's braided at the root and then the rest is twisted because the twists are just easier. So yeah, and really the back parts, as you can probably see before, they're not as good as the front ones. Like some of them are bigger because like it's gonna be covered, so like, you know, yeah, y'all get it. So I'm using Cantu curling cream. I don't even know if y'all can see that. I'm using Cantu curling cream. It's probably not focusing, but yeah. And I'm just gonna get a little bit, put it in my section, focus it on my ends. Then I'm gonna kind of finger detangle in a way and work the product in at the same time. Okay, now we are going to separate into 2 even sections and then just twist. Twist the end to lock it in. So we have our whole head done. This actually could be a look. Could it? No, I look childish, don't I? Yeah, this isn't a look. Maybe if I like added stuff, it could be cute. I mean, for quarantine, since we're just sitting in the house, this could work. But anyway, back to the point of this video. I'm actually gonna dread it up tomorrow. So y'all aren't gonna know it's tomorrow, but yeah, it's gonna be tomorrow. Or really today, because it's 2 a.m. But anyway, yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Alright guys, so yeah, I am back with you guys the next day. You see, I've done basically my whole head. I have 2 sections left, and as you guys see, I added streaks of green. I have some in the back and I have some in the front. So I'm going to show y'all how I did these kinds and how I did these. So yeah, let's just get into it. Things you'll need is this is the kind of hair I use. This is the green hair, and then these are the locks. Now these are 18 inches, so if you don't need the whole, because, hold on, these are 18 inches, and I only use 2 packs, but if you want to double them, then you'll probably need like 4 or 5. So yeah, I'm just going to get into it. So, oh, no, you need a crochet hook and some kind of moisturizer for the added hair, and then Got To Be. Yes, Got To Be spray. Now I think that's it. Yeah. So, I'm gonna show y'all the black one first. So you're just gonna get one of the dread things. You're gonna open it up. I probably should zoom in, huh? So I zoomed in for y'all. Do not talk about my nails. All this stuff with the hair got on it, and yeah, anyway. So you're gonna get your hook and you're gonna put it in through the middle of your section, right? Now you're gonna get your dread after the one you open, and you're going to attach it to the hook, close the hook, and pull it through. Then you go to the open part, you open it up, you get the little end of it, and you pull it through. Okay? Now, I'm doing mine a little different than most of the videos you probably will see on here. Oh wow, I totally forgot to tell y'all everything else y'all need. You need Marley Hair and Passion Twist hair. You can get Water Wave. I got this kind, Passion Water 2 times by Expression. So yeah. Anyway, sorry about that. But continuing, you're going to start with your Marley Hair. It comes as one big one, so you're going to separate it into 2 and then fluff it out a little bit. Unless you want yours really thick, then you can use the whole thing. Or just do it real tight, but anyway. You're going to get your section that you just did. You're going to put this kind of like this. It doesn't really matter how much you leave, but yeah. And you're just going to wrap. You're going to wrap really close to the root at first so that it's tight and secure. So after you wrap it around the root a couple times, then you can start moving down. And you're just going to do the whole dread. Just wrap and wrap. And you're going to pull it pretty tight so that it looks like that. Because if you don't, it'll look, I don't even know, just do it tight. You might want to wrap it all the way down. So yeah. This is what we're doing, and that's depending on how much you left at the beginning will determine how far it would get. So yeah, to figure out where you want it to end, or like how, because some of these ended like at the more at the bottom, so it was thicker, longer. So yeah. But for the more natural look, I wouldn't suggest making them all the same size. So you can do some tighter, some looser, and the looser you do it, the thicker it'll be. So anyway, now that you get to the end of it, you get your Got To Be, and you just spray it. And then you wrap the rest. And then you take your hand like this, and you wrap. Now it's secure. You make sure it's secure. You get your Passion Twist hair. Now with this, you did the same thing with the Marley. You're going to separate it. Oh, hold on. You're going to separate it. So, separate it into 2, and you fluff it out. You see it's fluffed. So we're going to, now this one is not meant to be neat, so that you get that Bohemian look we're going for. So, hold on, got hair on my wrist. You're just gonna wrap. But as you're wrapping, you're not wrapping tight. After you get it secured, and you see this part that was left, you're just gonna do it lightly. You can pull a little. Just make it as natural as possible. So with this, I'm gonna wrap it loosely, pull it up a little, and then we're gonna wrap loosely. Get it looking how you want, but you want it to look even too, and not like spaced out with the different textured hair. So wrap them closely together. So yeah, that's basically what you're doing all the way down. You got to be spray it and then wrap the hair around the area that you sprayed. And then after you have it all wrapped, you'll rub it and then it's done. So yeah. This is the one we just did. And yeah. Hope y'all can see that correctly. Which one is it? This one? Yeah. So yeah. Now let me show y'all how I did the green. The process is low-key similar. So you're going to get your dread. You're gonna open up. You get it open, you get your crochet hook, you put it in through the middle, open the hook, put the open part of your dread inside the hook, pull it through. You're going to open it up again. Put it in. Put the end inside of the open part and pull it through. Make sure it's nice and secure. Then you're going to, now this is the part where it's a little different. You're going to get your hair. This is mine. You're going to get you a medium-sized section, not too big. You're going to get your conditioner of any kind of sort. It doesn't really matter. Just want the hair to be easier to manage. So you're going to moisturize it a little. Okay, I gotta hurry up because my camera's gonna die. So you're gonna get it and you're going to grab it close to the root and you're just gonna wrap. But you're gonna wrap pretty tight. And you just, that's really all you do. You just wrap it all the way down. But you make sure that you cover up the black in the dread. of the attached thread that we put. I don't know if that made sense. But anyway, yeah. So you're just going to wrap it all the way down. And that is really it. But as you see, it's coming up short. So what I'm going to do is just get more of the hair. And I'm going to cut it. And then attach it on until I'm at the bottom. So yeah. I'm going to come back to you guys when I have this all done. Alright guys, so here we are. I added some baby hairs. As you can see, you know, to make it look a little done up. But yeah. Ooh, wow. Let me try that again. The look I was going for, I mean, this is it, but when it starts getting a little messy and older, it's gonna look real cute. I'll put a picture, I think, right here, or a video of the hairstyle that inspired this. And yeah, I'm gonna stand up for y'all so y'all can see the rest of it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know other hairstyle ideas y'all might want to see. Turn on your post notifications so you can see when I post a new video. I have more hairstyles coming for you guys though. I have quite a few. I think they're really cute, so hopefully y'all will like them too. And yeah, let me show y'all. Oh, I don't even need to move the camera. So yeah, y'all see how the ends look. And yeah, this was 18 inches and I think it was pretty long, so yeah. I'm gonna add some pictures so that y'all can see how it looks when I get cute or whatever. But oh yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching and bye.